Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful curry using potatoes, chicken and bottle gourd. Delicious to eat and very nutritious. It cooks in a jiffy and does not need a lot of ingredients as well. So this curry is best when you don't have time and you need meals ready in half an hour. So let's get started how to make this wonderful curry, and I hope you will try this at home. Alright, so let's get started. First, by adding oil to my cooking pot. I'm going to use about 2 to 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. You can use whatever oil you want. And whilst the oil is heating up, the next ingredient I'm going to add is going to be onions. My oil is nicely heated up. I'm going to add the onions and I'm going to saute them for a while. So whilst the onion is sauteing, the next ingredient I'm going to add is also going to be ginger and garlic paste. I've used around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Nice heaped spoons. I can smell the rawness of the ginger garlic paste has disappeared. The next ingredient I'm going to add is going to be my chicken. I've taken boneless chicken. You can take chicken with bones as well, but boneless chicken is most appropriate for this dish. I'll saute this for a while and then add my spices. I'll get back to you once it's nicely sauteed. Once it's slightly sauteed, next I'm going to add is turmeric. It's about 3/4 of a teaspoon, and 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm using the non-spicy one. It will give you only the color and not heat. Okay, I'm going to stir this nicely. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of coriander and cumin powder. It's already mixed, coriander and cumin mixed. Equal parts of cumin, equal parts of coriander seeds, which is mixed. I'm using 1 teaspoon of this as well. I'm going to let this now cook for some time. I think it needs a little bit oil, so I'm just going to add a little bit more, around maybe 1 teaspoon more. Okay, and I'm going to let these spices fry till all the rawness from these spices disappear and it becomes a lovely paste. Okay, alright, see you in a while. Now as you can see now, the oil is leaving the spices and it's separating. Can you see how the oil separates? That means the spices is almost cooked. Before I add, I'm going to add now a big teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning for to season my chicken. Alright, that's 1 big teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning to season my chicken. And I'm going to stir it now. Next I'm going to add 1 large tomato. And I'm going to again stir this and let it cook for a while till the tomatoes nicely smash and become unison with the paste with the spice. Yeah. As you can see now, the tomato has completely disappeared. The chicken has left its juices, and I also added about a small, very tiny, mini cup of little water just to, you know, fasten the process. Okay. Now I'm going to add just about 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. Just about 1.5 teaspoon of chicken masala is fine. That's it. Look at the curry, so red and vibrant, and it hardly took me any time to make it, plus not too many ingredients also. Alright, now I'm going to make this more healthy by adding in some potatoes, and I'm going to use Bottle Gourd to make sure the potatoes and the Bottle Gourd that I'm using sweetens up the curry and makes it more healthy, because Bottle Gourd is good for health. It has a lot of water content in it. Plus, this will also help you cool down your body. Adding vegetables to your meat is very healthy, because we tend to not eat too much vegetables. By adding vegetables to our meat, we start eating vegetables also. Alright, I'm going to now mix this properly. Look at it, how wonderful it looks. And finally, what I'm going to do is just add just about 100 ml of water, which is about half a cup of water. And then I'm going to turn the flame to slow and let it cook in its own steam for about 10 minutes, or until the vegetable and the potato is cooked. Alright, see you in after 10 minutes and show you how the dish is ready. So it's been now 10 minutes since the curry has been cooking. Look how wonderful it looks now. Everything is cooked, potato is cooked. Alright, and a lovely thick gravy also. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like button and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. I hope you will try this at home. So fast and easy to cook, especially on days where you don't have time to cook and you need to have a wonderful and healthy meal ready on your table. I'm going to serve this with steamed rice and eat this. I hope you will try it again at home, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.